Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we have a piece of cherry on the lathe and we are going to be making a mini vase from it. So the first tool we are going to be using is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. And we're just going to start by getting that bark off. Here's the mid-size rougher. We're going to start by making a tenon there. My apologies for the shaky camera. Turns out I don't know how to tighten a tripod. That will disappear in time. Here's back to the mid-size finisher again. Shaping the base. Now we're going to go up the sides and get ready to shape the rim. There we go, just making the neck there. Giving it the vase shape. Back to the rougher. And clean up that bottom bit there with the #1 hollower. And we're going to take down the diameter there of the rim, or the thickness, with the rougher. And a few little detail lines there with the well detailer. And we're going to match the angles of the jaws in the chuck with the detailer now. And get rid of that nubbin. There you go. So I already sanded up to 240, but now we're going to do some scorch to it. Really make that grain pop. Kind of give it a rustic look. And now we're going to go back to 240 grit here with Klingspor abrasives. Take away all of that soot. There you go. Gonna clean that grain off with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. There you go. Alright, so we're going to do a bit of hollowing now, but before we do that we've got to get rid of that chunky nubbin on the end there. And we're going to do that with the #1 hollower. Usually I would use a Forstner bit to get rid of the vast majority, but I felt like hollowing it out this time using the hollower. And here is the full size finisher. And there you go. Bit of compressed air there. Just check the thickness with the old finger calipers. And some sandy sand. There you go. Bit more compressed air. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Alright, some Hampshire Danish oil. Really make the grain pop. Slow-mo. Very, very nice. Alright, so I've got it mounted on a jam truck right now. So now we're just going to take off that tenon. Using the detailer for this. Constantly pushing towards the headstock. Giving it a nice undercut. And now the micro detailer, mid-size as well. Taking it right down to a very, 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 very small point before snapping it off and hand sanding. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.